This is the video guide for what we call the lazy sound. And this represents any unstressed vowel. Now in English we have unstressed vowels in almost every word with more than one syllable. But in terms of teaching phonics, they're less prevalent because, of course, we're far more interested in getting children to read, and if that means exaggerated vowels here and there, then that's not such a disaster. However, we do still need students to be familiar with the concept of an unstressed vowel by the end, because we want them to be able to recognize where they happen. For example, we don't want them to be reading banana all the time. We want banana and things like this. But more prominently, because this lazy sound, this sound, is important in a lot of words which they're going to encounter very early. For example, the LE ending to words, we need the sound to be able to construct that, and that's going to be in words which they encounter very, very early, like little and things like this. So yes, that's what the sound is. In terms of getting the students to understand it, it's generally quite easy. I mean, we convey this is the lazy sound. The lazy sound doesn't care what letters it goes into. We find it in all kinds of words lying around in any particular vowel. It's lazy, it just goes to sleep in any letter it likes. When we're presenting it, we're trying to show it to the students, we want to make sure that we look very lazy, and then our mouth is slightly open, and then as the sound forms. Yeah, I think that covers most of it. Generally speaking, the students find it relatively easy to deal with, and so it's generally not a problem getting them to understand this concept.